Want to make WhatsApp more comfortable to use? Whether you need larger text for easier reading or a smaller font to fit more messages on your screen, adjusting the font size is simple and takes just a moment. Start by launching the WhatsApp app on your device. Once it's open, look for the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the screen and tap on them to open the menu. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. In the Settings menu, find and tap on the option labeled Chats to access your chat customization settings. Inside the Chat section, you'll see an option for font size. Tap it and you'll notice 3 choices: small, medium, and large. Most users have it set to medium by default. Select the font size that best fits your needs. Opt for small if you want to fit more messages on the screen, or large for better readability. The changes will be applied instantly. No need for additional confirmation. Your WhatsApp font size is now adjusted to your preference, making your chat experience more tailored to you. If this tutorial was helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more practical tips to improve your apps and devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.